It's been raining here since morning, and when it's raining outside and you are alone in a room, you dive deep into your thoughts. I have come to the campus and it's been almost a month and I haven't done anything productive. Every single day I wake up and just wait for the night so I can sleep and repeat this cycle every single day. I thought as soon as I will reach the campus, I will make the videos with double intensity, but I am doing exactly opposite of it. It's been a month I have reached campus and I have uploaded only one video. Every day I wake up and think that let's make the video and complete the editing of the previous one. But after postponing it for the hell lot of time, I slept doing nothing productive. And just like every day, I was scrolling through the YouTube and at that time only Tharun uploaded its video where he took the 21 days challenge to get back his life to the track and asked his subscribers to take this challenge too. Then I thought, as I am also not productive from past few weeks and just wasting my time, I also filmed some videos after coming to the campus, but due to my laziness, I haven't completed the editing. So I decided to challenge myself by taking this 21 days challenge, because challenges and the changes are the two things which can make you more productive and the better. When you challenge yourself and publish it publicly, you have to complete it. And as I am also publishing it publicly, I have to complete it. So from now onwards, I will be quitting every single thing which pulls me down and concentrate on the things which really matters for me. So during this 21 days challenge, I will be doing following things. So basically I will be covering my backlogs, some assignments which are remaining, and I will try to upload at least 4 videos this month. I will try to improve my diet, do the exercise every single day, sleep well, and most importantly, wake up early. And at last, I will try to take that B-roll challenge too. I don't know anything about the B-rolls, but I will surely try it, because learning new things is a fun. You know what is the hardest part about this challenge? Before telling you what's the hardest part about this challenge, let me tell you about the Super 20 by Unacademy. It's basically 2 days boot camp where you will get a chance to have an interactive guidance session by the top educators and the top rankers of the JEE. So to attend this boot camp, you have to give this test where you have to attempt the 30 questions in 60 minutes. So basically you have to give the 3 tests. First is of the physics, which is on the 10th December. Second is of the chemistry, which is on the 11th December. Third is of the maths, which is on the 12th December. And the timing of the test is at 7 pm. So the top 500 rankers will get the chance to go and attend these boot camps, and all the expense will be paid by the Unacademy. You can also win the scholarship according to your ranks. Like 1 to 20 ranks will get the 100% scholarship. You can also win the other exciting prizes like MacBook, AirPods, and other cool stuffs. So there is one test going on, IIT JEE Combat, where you can win the scholarship worth up to the 4 crores. Basically you have to answer the 21 questions in 60 minutes. This test occurs every Sunday from 11 am onwards. You also get the detailed video solutions after giving the test by the top educator, so you can see your mistake. You get the real-time All India rank, so you can see where you are standing among your peers. It's to start, because once you get started, things can only go better. And the another hardest part is, when your friends will be having fun, you have to sacrifice that time just because you have to edit your videos and do the assignments which are remaining. It's not just about the sacrifices, but it's about the habits you're gonna build to make yourself better. And I'm not telling that don't give time to your friends, but prioritize and manage the time properly, which will make you better and will help you in managing your time. And remember one thing, you will not be productive every single day. And it's just okay, because good things take time. And if you guys are also not productive these days, you can also take this challenge to get back your life on the track. Same as Tharun, I have also created one form. You can fill it and film it and send it to me. So today is 3rd December when I am shooting this video. So let's meet you after 21 days when the video will be out on the channel. And don't forget to film it and send it to me. और सुनो, मुस्कुराना कभी मत भूलना. मिलते हैं दूसरी वीडियो में. This is Aryan signing off.